Hey guys, check this out. So I'm working on the Ford no, not the Ford, the Dodge Ram 3500, and I am redoing this bumper. I want to make it real nice for this guy on his work truck. But you see this black plastic, how it's real faded now. This stuff right here, Ultimate Black, the plastic restore. This will actually bring the plastic back to its original, you know, lusciousness. So let's put a little bit on there. Okay. We're going to go ahead and, just spread it around with your applicator here. You're working it into the plastic is what you're doing. You see how it's going from the black, from the gray to this nice deep black. As just the plastic. I mean, this plastic has been on this rim. It's a 2001. So think about all that, weather and everything it's been through, hot, cold, everything. So it dries out, it looks all nasty and everything. So you have to bring it back with some nice plastic restore. So let me go ahead and apply it to the rest of this, and let's see how we can make this look.